Acting FEMA Director David Richardson is under mounting pressure to resign this morning after the agency's emergency alert system accidentally broadcast graphic pornography across the nation. Yesterday's alert causing widespread chaos and confusion as the sounds of hardcore penetrative sex acts were heard on millions of Americans' phones and hundreds of public warning sirens. Social media users captured reactions as the audible moaning went on for over 3 minutes before the mistake was corrected. An internal investigation has found that the mistake stemmed from a video titled "Mature Busty MILF Fucked by Hung Tennis Instructor" that Richardson had open in an incognito window. According to the investigation, his department's initial attempts to turn it off only made it louder.
Maybe you'd like to feed me those balls in the shower, huh, Daddy?
People across the country are still reeling from yesterday's shocking warning.
I don't know how they let something like that happen, or why they had to turn it off.
Despite the controversy, Richardson says he has no plans to step down, calling the pornography a, quote, grade A dick down, and that if Americans didn't like it, it was probably, quote, because they're gay. FEMA officials, however, are reassuring the public that steps are being taken so something like this never happens again, and in the event of an actual emergency, alert systems would properly play the really kinky shit as intended. Coming up next, more on the deadly virus that's making quite the splash in Southeast Asia. You're watching the Onion News Network, the only cable news network that watches back.